Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you this beautiful wig. Like I told you in my previous wig of the week last week, I'll be sharing with you every Saturday or Sunday a wig of the week, and I was making this wig for a client and I just decided like this is going to be the wig of the week. I'll definitely share with you a tutorial on how to make this wig, but in today's video I'm just going to try it on. Yeah, so guys, if you love this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I will make it for you.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground until you get lost. They said, be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying